Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by narrowing focus. Choose high-impact events and set your economic calendar to your time zone so you don't miss time-sensitive releases. Once done, subscribe to 2 quick news feeds and confirm your live price feed is synced. Make sure your watch list holds 4 to 6 pairs you trade regularly and note their typical spreads. This prevents surprises during volatility. Then place pending orders outside immediate release ranges, so you're ready to act the moment market direction confirms. You should trade the market's reaction, not the headline. That means waiting 1 to 3 candles on your chosen time frame for real price confirmation. Once you see sustained momentum, enter with an initial position sized to risk 0, 5 to 1% of your account. Then use a tighter stop once the direction is clear. If momentum continues, scale in by adding a second half-sized unit. Throughout, monitor correlated pairs and yield curves to avoid being fooled by isolated noise. You finish trades with a clear exit, a profit target, a trailing stop, or a time-based exit if the move stalls. If you see slippage or fills far from expected price, reduce order size or switch to limit entries on future events to control execution. Make sure to review each news trade within 24 hours, log the catalyst, your decision, and your emotional state so you fix recurring errors. If results diverge, reassess feed latency and broker execution before scaling back up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.